One morning, the most powerful tech company in the world panicked, and what happened next would change the future of the internet forever. For more than 20 years, Google controlled how billions of people find information every single day. Search engines shaped the world, deciding what we know and what we don't. Then, in November 2022, something unexpected appeared, something that would shock the tech giant. A small AI startup released ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence chatbot that could answer questions, write essays, and even generate code instantly. It wasn't just fast, it was smarter than anything most people had ever seen. Within days, millions of users around the world began interacting with it. ChatGPT quickly became the fastest-growing consumer application in history. And that's when Google realized something was seriously wrong. Inside the company, executives called an emergency meeting. Red alerts flashed across every screen. It was a code red, an internal declaration that no one outside the company would ever hear until now. Top engineers were pulled from their work, plans postponed, vacations canceled. Why? Because the AI wasn't just a toy, it was a direct threat to Google's search, the foundation of the company's empire. If people could get answers from AI instantly, why would anyone click a Google link again? Suddenly, the entire tech world was racing against the clock. Google mobilized its top engineers, working day and night to build their own AI systems to compete. CEO Sundar Pichai led emergency strategy meetings, trying to contain a crisis no one had fully anticipated. Founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin even returned to the office to guide the response. From that moment on, the AI race changed everything. It was no longer about search engines, it was about intelligence itself. Every major tech company suddenly realized AI will define who wins and who falls behind. The way we access knowledge, the way we work, and even the way we think will never be the same. This is the story of Google's Code Red, and this is the future of the AI-powered world. Welcome to the AI economy.